I'd fixed this button for the tow haul, and it already broke in another spot, so I'm gonna just change that to a push button. So I already got the dash torn apart. If you search my channel for the video for fixing the tow haul button, you'll see how to take all this apart. All right, so there's a little plastic clip here and on the bottom, and you'll need 2 flathead screwdrivers, and you'll just push up on that one and slowly, gently pull down on this one, and you can just pull this guy out. Now, we're gonna have to take this off. Looks like there's little things we have to push here, and we'll take this back off, and I'm hoping we'll be able to mount the button right here for the tow haul. We'll see. We'll get this apart. All right, so get that out. There we go. So now we got a nice little place to put a tow haul button right there. So I got this neat little momentary button here. I ordered it on Amazon, and you'll find a link in my store at thejohnnyoshow.com/promotions. And so this is the button I'm going to mount right there. So what I've done here is I've turned this the opposite direction so I can see what kind of clearance we have, so I make sure I drill this in the right spot. So I'm hoping you'll see that this line right here at the top of the plastic here, this little line is about where I need to drill a hole right there. So it's going to be a little high. You don't want to drill center because it's not going to clear on the back, so it's going to be more like there. Alright, that's pretty straightforward. That's where it ended up on the inside. Now let's see if it goes back together. Yep, it will clear. Awesome. So now I'll run my wires. Alright, the last time I did this I had electrical tape on this, so I went ahead and took the electrical tape off, and I went ahead and heat shrinked it. That's a lot cleaner. And these are just, there is no positive and negative. They're just, it's just a switch. So the color doesn't mean anything. So anyway, that's nice and good, and now I'll run my other wires onto here and we'll be done. Alright, now I got my little clip-on ends here, and I'm going to just hook it to the thing, and we're going to just run it through here and clip them on and put it together. Alright, there, that's on. Right here in Iowa. Now let's just give it a clip clear. At your local grocery store. Iowa grown, picked right, always fresh. Bushel Boy Farms.
It takes about a week for contacts to be delivered, but it only takes a few minutes to get LASIK.
Alright,
LASIK Plus,
it's working. Alright, I had to do a slight modification. I had to drill holes through because there was not enough clearance, so I just drilled 2 holes and then it all cleared. That worked. Alright. So we got that finished. Isn't that awesome?